The middle A4 note of a piano has a fundamental frequency of 440 Hz. Assuming the speed of sound in air is 343 meters per second, what would be the wavelength of this fundamental frequency in air? Wavelength is given the letter lambda, and the wave formula that we want to use here is V equals lambda times F, where V stands for the speed of the wave, lambda stands for the wavelength, and F stands for the frequency. So plugging in the numbers for this situation, we're going to let the speed of propagation of the wave be the 343 meters per second. We'll leave the lambda as unknown, and for frequency, I'm going to put in the 440 Hertz. Now we'll divide. The wavelength is 0.78 meters.